Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of unique bathroom decor designs and tips to add style, luxury features, and modern touches into your bathroom ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. As one of the most intimate spaces in your home, your bathroom should be a reflection of your personal style and taste. A unique bathroom design can elevate your space from functional to exceptional, creating a luxurious oasis where you can unwind and rejuvenate. Whether you're renovating your bathroom or starting from scratch, Homes Decor Designs has compiled a list of the top 10 unique bathroom design ideas to help you create the perfect space. 1. Create a spa-like atmosphere. One of the most popular trends in bathroom design is to create a spa-like atmosphere. This can be achieved by incorporating elements such as a freestanding bathtub, a rainfall shower head, and natural materials such as stone or wood. Add candles and plush towels for a truly luxurious feel. 2. Go bold with color. If you're not afraid of color, consider going bold in your bathroom design. Vibrant hues like emerald green, navy blue, and deep burgundy can add drama and depth to your space. Incorporate color through tiles, wallpaper, or a statement piece like a colorful vanity. 3. Embrace Japanese style. Japanese-style bathrooms are all about simplicity, natural materials, and a calming aesthetic. Incorporate elements like a soaking tub, bamboo accents, and a neutral color palette to create a tranquil and peaceful space. 4. Get creative with tile. Tiles are a great way to add interest and texture to your bathroom design. Experiment with different shapes, sizes, and patterns to create a unique look. Consider using mosaic tiles for a playful and whimsical feel. 5. Add a statement piece. Make a statement with a unique piece of furniture or lighting fixture in your bathroom design. This can be anything from a vintage chandelier to a sculptural freestanding tub. A statement piece adds personality and character to your space. 6. Mix and match materials. Don't be afraid to mix and match different materials in your bathroom design. Combining textures like marble, wood, and metal creates a rich and layered look. Mix modern and traditional elements for a fresh and unique style. 7. Incorporate nature. Bring the outdoors inside by incorporating natural elements in your bathroom design. A living wall, potted plants, or a natural wood vanity can add a touch of nature to your space. Not only does it look beautiful, but it also promotes a sense of calm and well-being. 8. Play with lighting. Lighting can make a huge impact on the overall look and feel of your bathroom. Consider incorporating a mix of task, ambient, and accent lighting to create a layered and dynamic space. Play with different fixtures like sconces, pendants, and chandeliers for a unique look. 9. Add smart features. Technology has revolutionized bathroom design, and incorporating smart features can make your space more functional and efficient. Consider adding features like a heated towel rack, smart mirrors, or a programmable shower to elevate your bathroom design. 10. Experiment with textures. Textures are a great way to add interest and depth to your bathroom design. Consider incorporating materials like shiplap, exposed brick, or textured wallpaper to create a unique and visually appealing space. With these top 10 unique bathroom design ideas, you can transform your space into a luxurious oasis that reflects your personal style and taste. Incorporate elements like Japanese style, luxury features, and modern touches for a truly exceptional bathroom design. At Homes Decor Designs, we believe that a unique bathroom is the key to creating a home that is both functional and beautiful. By taking the time to design a bathroom that is truly unique, you can elevate the overall look and feel of your home. So, how can you make your bathroom unique? By incorporating one or more of the top 10 unique bathroom design ideas listed above, you can create a space that is truly exceptional. Whether you want to create a spa-like atmosphere, embrace Japanese style, or add smart features, there are endless possibilities when it comes to designing a unique bathroom. If you're looking to design a Japanese-style bathroom, there are a few key elements to consider. First, choose a neutral color palette that includes shades of white, beige, and gray. This will create a calm and peaceful atmosphere. Second, incorporate natural materials like bamboo and stone to create a sense of harmony with nature. Finally, choose a traditional Japanese soaking tub to complete the look. If you're looking to make your bathroom luxurious, consider incorporating features like a freestanding bathtub, a rainfall shower head, and heated floors. Choose high-end materials like marble, crystal, and gold to create a sense of opulence and elegance. Finally, add finishing touches like plush towels, scented candles, and a chandelier for a truly luxurious feel. When it comes to modern bathroom style, the key is simplicity and functionality. Choose clean lines, neutral colors, and minimalistic design elements to create a sleek and contemporary look. Incorporate features like a wall-mounted toilet, a floating vanity, and a frameless glass shower for a modern and functional bathroom. A unique bathroom design is all about expressing your personal style and taste. By incorporating one or more of the top 10 unique bathroom design ideas listed above, you can create a space that is both functional and beautiful. Whether you're looking to create a spa-like atmosphere, embrace Japanese style, or add smart features, there are endless possibilities when it comes to designing a unique bathroom. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of unique bathroom decor designs ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.